my name's Ben Hughes and I've got a little bit more whip cracking for you today, a couple of tutorials. I've got a couple of different tricks in the one video today for you. And the first one, well it came about from a couple of weeks ago. I got some comments about the Victorian Cutback and some combinations that you can do with the Victorian Cutback. So I thought a great idea would be to sort of do something a little bit simpler for an intermediate sort of level whip cracker with two whips.